to CSV YummY recipes. Today I am going to show you tomato rice recipe. For this I have taken few mint leaves. This is cardamom, cloves, bay leaf, cinnamon and 1 cup vertically sliced onion, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon salt, quarter teaspoon turmeric, half teaspoon chili powder, 3 cups diced tomato, 1.5 cup washed basmati rice. I'm going to start the preparing tomato rice now. I have taken the pot from the rice cooker. I have added 3 tablespoons oil. I'm adding cinnamon, all the whole spices, cloves, cardamom, bay leaf. Stir it for a minute. Next I'm adding mint leaves. Stir everything well. Cook it for a minute. After cooking for a minute, nice aroma will come out of it. The mint leaves are done. Next I am adding onion, 1 cup onion. Next 3 cups of diced tomato. Start. Mix everything well. After adding tomatoes, next I am adding salt, all the spices, turmeric, chilli powder, ginger garlic paste. Mix everything well. Cook all the tomato, onion, spices, cook everything for 5 minutes. Just keep stirring all the vegetables. Let it cook for 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes. I have cooked everything for 5 minutes. Next I am going to add 1.5 cup washed basmati rice. Mix everything well. Next, I am going to add 4 cups of water. Once again mix everything. Adjust. Next keep the lid on and cook it. Check after 20 minutes, checking whether the rice is cooked or not. Yeah, it's cooked. Switch off the flame. Transferring it to the serving plate. Now tomato rice is ready to serve. You can have it with raita. And one more thing is, if you want, you can even add green peas while adding tomatoes and an onion. Thanks for watching.